Bow Windows The Villages is the ideal starting point for homeowners seeking a home window upgrade. The Villages, Florida, with style, comfort, and value. Residential bow window replacement, bow window installation, and home bow window replacement can transform older openings into elegant, energy-efficient bow windows that improve curb appeal and interior light. For the Villages, Florida window replacement projects, a replacement window contractor can recommend custom bow window solutions, weatherproof bow windows, and low-E bow glass for better performance in Florida heat. Whether the goal is a full architectural window replacement or a simple bow window retrofit, the right residential window installers can deliver lasting results. Bow window installation. The Villages, Florida is often the fastest way to restore performance when the structure is still sound. Common services include bow window trim installation, bow window sealing. The Villages, Florida, bow window insulation, and glass replacement for bow windows when seals fail or panes crack. Local window contractors. The Villages, Florida can assess whether window frame replacement, curved window replacement, or residential glass replacement. The Villages is the best option for the existing opening. For homeowners comparing bow window replacement. The Villages, Florida, and installation, the choice often depends on age, draft issues, and whether the system supports double-pane bow windows or triple-pane bow windows. Bow windows. The Villages replacement projects should focus on energy savings, durability, and aesthetics to maximize long-term value. Energy-efficient bow windows. The Villages, low-E bow glass. The Villages, and weatherproof window replacement. The Villages can reduce heat gain and help maintain comfortable indoor temperatures year-round. Vinyl bow window replacement. Florida remains popular for low maintenance and strong insulation, while custom bow window contractor. The Villages services can tailor sizes, angles, and finishes. For replacement windows for homes in the Villages, double-pane bow windows and triple-pane bow windows provide excellent sound control and improved thermal performance. Bow window installation in the Villages requires skilled planning, precise measurements, and experienced residential bow window installers. The Villages to ensure a proper fit. New bow window installation may include framing adjustments, bow window insulation, and window frame replacement. The Villages, Florida, when the existing structure needs reinforcement. House window upgrade. The Villages, Florida projects often pair bow window installation with other bay and bow window services to create a cohesive look across the home. A trusted custom bow window contractor. The Villages can also handle curved window replacement near the Villages and other specialty architectural window replacement needs. Residential bow window replacement is a smart investment for homeowners who want a brighter interior and stronger exterior appeal. Home window replacement. The Villages should be completed with products designed for Florida weather, including weatherproof bow windows, vinyl bow window replacement, and energy-efficient bow windows that resist air leakage. The Villages residential window services often include bow window sealing, bow window trim installation, and glass replacement for bow windows to keep the system operating efficiently. When comparing options, many homeowners choose a replacement window contractor who understands the Villages home improvement windows and local building requirements. Bow window retrofit. The Villages, Florida is a practical solution for homes that need improved performance without a full rebuild. By upgrading to low-E bow glass, double-pane bow windows, or triple-pane bow windows, homeowners can enjoy a noticeable boost in comfort and efficiency. Residential window installers can also provide bow window insulation and window frame replacement to correct gaps and reduce moisture intrusion. For the Villages residential window services, retrofit work is often ideal for older properties that still have structurally stable openings but need modern bow window sealing and better weather resistance. Custom bow window solutions are especially valuable when matching existing architecture or expanding a room's visual space. Curved window replacement and architectural window replacement require careful design, especially for homes seeking a distinctive profile and balanced light distribution. A replacement window contractor experienced in bow windows. The Villages can recommend dimensions, glazing packages, and trim details that fit the home's style. For homeowners searching for bow window installation, or residential bow window replacement, Choosing a provider with experience in bay and bow window services helps ensure clean lines and reliable performance. The Village's Florida window replacement market demands materials and craftsmanship that stand up to heat, humidity, and seasonal storms. Energy-efficient bow windows, weatherproof bow windows, and vinyl bow window replacement Florida are especially useful in maintaining indoor comfort while reducing maintenance. Homeowners comparing bow window replacement The Village's Florida with bow window installation The Village's Florida should also consider the value of low-E bow glass and professional bow window insulation. From house window upgrade The Village's Florida to complete home window upgrade packages, the right solution can improve function and resale appeal at the same time. Local expertise matters when choosing residential bow window installers The Village's or local window contractors The Village's Florida for a project. The best teams understand The Village's bow window replacement needs, from bow window sealing The Village's Florida to window frame replacement The Village's Florida and curved window replacement near The Village's. If a project requires residential glass replacement The Village's, custom bow window contractor The Village's services, or bow window trim installation, an experienced crew can coordinate each step efficiently. Homeowners seeking bow window installation The Village's or home bow window replacement benefit from contractors who know the climate, materials, and codes. Seminole County Bow Window Services and Lake County Bow Window Replacement support nearby homeowners who need reliable upgrades beyond the core market. Whether the project is bow window installation, or residential bow window replacement, these services often include double pane bow windows, triple pane bow windows, and energy-efficient bow windows for superior insulation. For anyone searching for replacement windows for homes in The Village's or The Village's home improvement windows, a well-planned bow window retrofit or new bow window installation can deliver beauty, durability, and measurable efficiency gains. Bow windows The Village's remain one of the best ways to enhance a home with light, depth, and performance. From bow window replacement, The Village's Florida to bow window installation in The Village's, every project benefits from accurate sizing, quality materials, and weatherproof window replacement options built for Florida. Homeowners looking for custom bow window solutions, vinyl bow window replacement, or low-E bow glass can rely on residential window installers and replacement window contractor expertise to complete the upgrade correctly. Bow window installation in The Village's delivers a high-impact home window upgrade for properties needing style, light, and performance. New bow window installation, custom bow window solutions, and architectural window replacement can transform living rooms, front rooms, and sunlit spaces with a smooth curved profile. Residential bow window installers The Village's and local window contractors The Village's Florida handle bow windows. The Village's projects with precision, including replacement windows for homes in The Village's, home window replacement The Village's, and The Village's home improvement windows for lasting value. Bow window replacement The Village's Florida is a smart choice when older units show drafts, leaks, fogging, or frame damage. Residential bow window replacement, home bow window replacement, and vinyl bow window replacement Florida are ideal for homeowners seeking durable, low-maintenance results. Double pane bow windows and triple pane bow windows improve insulation, while low-E bow glass supports energy-efficient bow windows The Village's and weatherproof window replacement The Village's for stronger comfort in Florida heat and humidity. Bow window installation The Village's Florida helps restore function without full replacement when issues include broken panes, worn seals, or trim deterioration. Bow window trim installation, bow window sealing, bow window insulation, and glass replacement for bow windows can extend the life of existing units while improving efficiency. Bow window retrofit The Village's Florida is often a practical option for older homes, especially when paired with window frame replacement The Village's Florida, residential glass replacement The Village's, and bow window installation for better performance. Residential window installers providing bow window services in The Village's, Florida can manage everything from bow window replacement to curved window replacement near The Village's. Homeowners looking for a replacement window contractor can choose bay and bow window services, curved window replacement, and new bow window installation designed for the exact opening. Energy-efficient bow windows. The Villages, double-pane bow windows. The Villages, and low-E bow glass. The Villages are popular upgrades for a modern, efficient house window upgrade. The Villages, Florida. Custom bow window contractor. The Villages support projects that require precise measurements, weatherproof bow windows, and tailored finishes to match the home exterior. Bow window replacement. The Villages, Florida often includes bow window sealing. The Villages, Florida, vinyl bow window replacement, and frame restoration for strong curb appeal. The Villages residential window services. The Villages, Florida window replacement and bow window installation in the Villages are also common for homeowners wanting dependable results from local pros. Lake County bow window replacement and Seminole County bow window services are also available for nearby homeowners seeking the same level of quality and attention. Whether the project is bow window installation, or residential bow window replacement, choosing experienced window contractors ensures efficient results. For bow windows. The Villages replacement, bow window installation, and home window replacement. The Villages, the right team delivers durable, attractive, and energy-saving solutions.